What's up, guys? In another video, I'm doing Call of Duty Mobile, first part, blah, blah, blah. Let's get right into it. We're just gonna equip this, go. No, we're gonna have to download it. Give me a second. My Wi-Fi, my data is very fast. Okay, and just need to customize. Okay, I'm gonna have to buy this. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna skip this out. Should work. Hopefully. Okay, right now I cannot pay. Doesn't matter to me what I use. Okay, we're just gonna multiplayer. Start. Okay, so guys, we're just gonna do a real quick match. Then I'm gonna end off the video. I just want to post this on main social medias like Twitch and stuff. And basically, yeah, so without further ado, I'm playing on an iPhone. Invincible, basically.
Enemy contact.
Not invincible.
Sniper! Grenade!
Dude, I don't know what's happening.
Contact with enemy! Enemy contact! Enemy down!
These guys suck. What do they think they're doing, dude?
Get down! Sniper!
Okay,
Sniper! Get down! Sniper! Sniper eliminated!
dude, this is kind of easy, dude.
Tango down!
Taking the lead.
Tango down!
Dude, I'm just gonna try to just stay alive, not die. Not have to respawn.
Target down!
Call of Duty Mobile on the SE. It's kind of good. Not too bad. Not run down or anything. If you know what I mean, like run down. It's kind of like run down, like not working very well. So like guys, so far it's working real good.
Enemy contact! Grenade! Cover me! Target in sight!
Okay,
Contact with enemy!
well, so far that did not work out very well. So basically, that's it, guys. Stay tuned for another dying clip. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get a good clip so far. Let's see what we can chew. Let's see what we can stir up, dude. Conquer, like, we're gonna conquer this place, dude. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going, dude. I'm gonna find them.
Sniper eliminated.
UAV online.
Dude, I like this game because it's just kind of like fun, dude.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Dude, I'm just gonna try to find an enemy.
Target's in sight! Get down! Enemy contact!
Right now, I'm just gonna pick up their ammo gun. I picked up their gun, guys.
Target's in sight. Contact with enemy. I'm hurt. Reloading. Cover me.
Wave kill.
I'm hurt. Target down. Enemy contact.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
Guys, we're
Target's in
destroying
sight.
these guys.
Enemy contact with enemy. Headshot.
Ready for deployment.
Contact with enemy.
I'm
Contact
using.
with enemy.
Predator missile on standby.
Okay, I'm just gonna destroy these guys.
Target's in sight. Target's in sight. Contact with enemy.
Dude,
Tango down.
okay, I
Contact
just
with enemy.
could not find the shoot button. I got a whole bunch of kills there though. I'm just gonna keep going where my teammates are going.
Cover me. Tango down. Contact with enemy. Need backup. Enemy contact. Sniper. Target down. Sniper down.
Dude, I'm just keeping on like killing them.
Contact with enemy.
We're almost there. Keep
Contact with enemy. Get down. Sniper.
If I get one more kill, I'm ending the video.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Reaching back.
Dude, I think
Target down.
about
Contact with enemy.
53% on the flamethrower. Dude, that flamethrower, I'm not even gonna cap. That is
Get
crazy
down.
good.
Sniper. Sniper down.
One more kill. One more kill. I'm going for the one more kill.
Target's in sight. Contact. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Enemy down. Sniper.
Hey, when you have to reload.
Target's in sight. Enemy
Killer
down.
drone on standby.
Got one more kill. Need one more kill. Then I'm
Enemy
gonna true.
contact.
What, dude? He's hacking, dude.
Contact with enemy.
Right now I just need 2 more kills, guys, and then I'll quit the video.
Enemy contact.
Right now I'm at like 10 kills, dude.
Winning this one.
Target down.
1.
Contact with enemy. Sniper. Tango down.
Okay, guys, goodbye.